I started with the floor isolation. To create a level base, I glued 30mm wooden slats to the bottom plate using Sikaflex. In between, I isolated with 90mm armor flex. As my Caddy isn't the delivery van version, the flooring is much lower behind the front seats. That's where your feet are supposed to go when the rear seats are mounted. So I tried to make use of the extra space as clean as possible. First off, to create a smooth transition between the camper conversion and the front area, I cut the plastic cover of the steps behind the sliding doors in half. Then I used the frame of the original storage compartments to create an even base. Of course, the space between got covered in armor flex. Then I installed rivet nuts on the plastic framing. On top I mounted a wooden box on each side, which still allows me to move the front seats in the rearmost position. Afterwards I tried my best to isolate everything else. The base plate is made of 50mm oak wood. On the right side I created my own step and covered it with corrugated sheet metal. The left side just got covered up to the base plate's level, as the sliding door will be blocked anyway, so only the right one will be used as an entrance. I glued some wooden style PVC flooring on the base plate. The edges got covered in L-shaped plastic profiles. Above the left side's flooring box I just left a big hole, because later there will be a closet above, which now delivers much more space. On the right side it's just additional storage. It can be reached through a lid attached with magnets.